superstar. The whole set, but don't go too far. Jam for the ladies and a superstar. The whole set, but never go too far. Jam for the ladies and some Moby. All the secrets you ever wanted to know about Infinite Baffle are right here in this video. So this woofer can be used for Infinite Baffle. This woofer can be used for Infinite Baffle. Any woofer can be used for Infinite Baffle. That's the secret. There is no such thing as an Infinite Baffle woofer. That's all bullshit. Basically what happens is when you use any driver in Infinite Baffle, you're limited to the power handling that it can handle in free air. That's what Infinite Baffle is. Also known as IB, also known as free air. So when you drive a woofer free air, that's it. That's the power that it can handle. IB setups are some of the most best sounding, especially for home audio. So what a lot of guys do is they, again, this goes back to, what was it? Speaker Builder magazine. So it was a basement, and then what they had was in the floor of the regular, of the living room, underneath that they had a vent, and then in the basement it was just a shaft, or like a square shaft, and then on each panel they had a subwoofer. That was it. That was the whole thing. And so it used the basement as the enclosure, and it was like 418s or 415s or something, whatever it fucking was, and they were car woofers, and it sounded great. You just have to watch out for the over excursion, which you have to watch out for anyway on any woofer system. And if you start to smell it, turn it the fuck down. That's it. That's IB right there. If you're doing it in a car, just try to, strengthen or dampen the trunk as best as possible. I don't like IBs in cars, but just because you waste a lot of energy on just vibrating the fucking car, when I'd rather see you use like a beefy 10 or a 12 in a regular box, and it does just fine. So you just have to vent between the trunk and the cabin. That's it. That's all the secrets of IB. Infinite Baffle. They make it sound like it's some sort of wizardry, and it's not. You just, if you want really high performance, Infinite Baffle, you just got to make sure that your woofer has lots of excursion, right? Which is most car woofers, for basically 1,000 watts and greater, and good power handling. And that comes from having a big, strong magnet. Typically, if it's ferrite, it's big and heavy. If it's neo, then it's also big and heavy, because there's going to be a lot of fucking steel on there. So that's it. That's it. That's all there is. I know I wish there was more. There isn't. I was disappointed just like you guys, but Infinite Baffle is bullshit. Does it sound great? Sure, but it's like using a sealed box. You only want to use it if that's your only option, right? And then, you got to equalize no matter what. So the best option all around is just a regular ported box within the VAS of the woofer. That's it. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. So you got to look for stuff on the overall picture. Again, read the loudspeaker cookbook. I found a free one online. I'll put the link in the description. Read. And even that book is there's a little bit of fluff in there. So, but I don't want to fluff in your face. I don't want to, that's what my mom used to call farts. Did someone fluff? Did someone make a fluff? Ooh, barking spider. No, Mom, you just farted. I hope that wasn't a queef. Jesus Christ. I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Experiment with IB if you have a basement or even an attic. That's fine too. I just hear attics get pretty hot in the summertime, so it's not a great place for a subwoofer. So I love you. Bye.